Asantehemaa nyinaa hemfie manhyia kotokofie na ne day eja nyankopon totrobonsu ya obonsuo obawia Otumfour nyankopon kokromoti ayenkwatiri no emopo wono onim ahyase ene awieye nyame a onim echinade na waye ne na dawroma na humobro ne bambo ne na doma so yeso na enenso yasan ahia biemu ede efri manhyia kotokofie krobia Asante kotokohene na himfie na busua ene yehia na se de medikia aka ede akyeye nyina ye ho dada no ene eye na Asantehemaa na amakonadu yadom ya otoso emiensa de Doteyie eda ya etoso miensa eye ne dai ya ye de nyina mu amanebo ye de nyina mu adesua ene emu nkyeremu nyina enso esomo se dia esi etie na Asantehemaa Doteyie ene da ya etoso emiensa na busua ene nso de bekoso wo ha bia se de nyame ya adom na hu obroso ye so na ye hya ase de ekoso bia de somo no sanso ene ne edai ya nyankopon ede acha ye so de bekoso na dai bia ene die ni abrase kwan so ye beto ye bo ase na ye de enmu so amanebo eno nso mu adesua ene bibia asomahwefo na bibia awieye se de siti atintampa abusua mesre na makasa se obeka ye ho a se ne ye ne da no na wa hye ama obi ote baabi enso enya bi ahwe na yamana durachire esanse ene eye de toso miensa the third day of the royal burial rite for Nana Amakonadu Yadom the third, the 14th queen of the Ashanti kingdom. Asantehemaa ya otoso edu enan ne and Doteyie da etoso eye miensa jiwa yedi mu amane ebo ebeso mu na ye beto ebo ase na yedi komo aka nya cheche nsemu e de akyeremu na dai de ye hwe animu na dai de ebeko sunset medikin akatada se da bia ene emu ensem da bia ene edom ya ebakotokofie ebeka yewura hom ene yewura edi anase ebema yewura yakọ ene hyeden ema bibia ewieye asomdwe kwan so ene nso de nyame ya adom yenkwan enche kra ye de nyina ye ho befam na ye hu de ebekoso na de na fa yasa tumpasa afa ayekotokofie nyina na adesuani nkyeremu bia ye de asom ntintempa o share live our YouTube by Grace TV so amesero na wa subscribe na wa share ama obi otibe bi enso enya bi ahwe sanse ene day National House of Chiefs on say oba oman Ghana mu a ye wo nananom ekuo ya aban Ghana aban ena edimra etintim no anya friends say National House of Chiefs no ene day National House of Chiefs ena eba menhia kotokofie na wabeka yewura ho ene yewura enso abesubra na ahema Doteyie da etoso emiensa eduru ho entine National House of Chiefs ena afen so nananom a asabio mesremeka wo enka Asantehemaa ho nananom a ewo amamai hodo so nananom a ewo amamai hodo so na wonka Asantehemaa ho no ene day na nyame adaroma yewuranom edi asiwa ma wo mo a yede no so emu amanebo ebeso mu ntene se de yesiase no yede mo na edi dwuman ene no abafam akra mo fanche abusua aya na enye kuma akra na so nyame ya adom wabɔ ho ban na wadom yenkwan de na saa ene ese eba ya yebetu ho anamo na honamu de yebetumi aye bia ya ho odimu yaye ede asom na bibia enso awieye se de esi etientie na National House of Chiefs ena eba menhia kotokofie na wabeka yewura hom ene yewura edi ene day na se wabeka yewura hom na ahema Doteyie ede toso emiensa bibia akoso asomdwe kwan so kwanti wo de kamo na yentum pasa kakra na yentwa mfanyini emfa nche ne yahwefo whatever would transpire today the Menhia Palace for the day 3 of Nana Asantehemaa Doteyie na bibia enkoso asomdwe ekwan so enso hono mabusua entine yedi kan aka se National House of Chiefs na eba National House of Chiefs omo eba no eno nananom a ewo Ghana nyina International House of Chiefs president ono de confirmed. Let me confirm to you exclusively on by Grace TV say National House of Chiefs president oji ahoho ya ojebi ene de obeba ha bi afenyi ono nko a oko the Bono area ho a Bono East Regional House of Chiefs president Bono East Mantam no ahinkro ene Techimai na Bono East Regional House of Chiefs president na ya oda wo mo anom ene Nana Basa Mahine in the person of Nana Owusu Sechi Basa Mahine Bono East House of Chiefs president ono so beba abeka yewura hom ene yewura no madina dai na se abeka yewura hom no bema yewura yakọ ene hyeden na bibia enso awie sanso na akọ Western Region patem ho a awo win efo ye wo ho awo win Mahine Say beye man and the title no the etienne say and beye man I will win ehene beye man on so baba man shako to Kofi no be ka yewura home and yewura and so Eddie said the trust of Cassidy also in soon, the was so, no, and so Sana because on the day to the accounts are brave, then you jump for Nika can't show more, that be beer, and so as we do, so said the and so as we do, said the AC. So that is what is going to transpire. Nationals of Chiefs, Ebeba, and I oko by my gun more. A mantam, I would do, yeah, what gun and I want a mantam be Nananum Eco be our honum, and Yame and Chain at the Yame Adomoa, all the various regional House of Chiefs, and the 16 regions, our gun. M0urn absolutely belongs to the Ashanti Kingdom, which 16 regions, no Ashanti region entirely. Samsung have a region entirely. And aside the Ashanti region and the Ahafo region, no, you know, say regions are all do no akanon. Yeah, regions which say even Bruno region say FMB Yeradia, Bruno Eastern so but aside regions are bobo so regions are all do akena. Yeah, ebia Asante enkoju wono and nyina so beba na what the do ababo dom wo nyina beba na obeka club ya Asante kotoko hene ho na Asantehemaa Doteyie bibia akoso asomdwe ekwan so said ya esi etie na nyina ye de besomo agya ya dom na odom ye enkwan ahoden am nyina besomo na bibia enso akoso yi asomdwe ekwan so etie na the entire nation and Ghana ebe muni make the entire nation. I'm saying it with respect to Nananom, with respect to our chieftaincy industry, our chieftaincy sector. That's in better words, no. I mean the chieftaincy sector. Yeah, what Ghana. Nananom and the club ya Asante kotoko hene and eba abesun and say show some crack another said the osun. Yeah, no insun. The answer so I just shouldn't be abba. Bemienu aba yeni adinhwe bemienu aba no friwe na fa yento aso na yentwa mfoni emfa enchire nyina na bibia nkoso asomdwe kwan so obusi aba na ohye na foforo so enya bi ahwe George Owusu ehwe okay shiny questions the minister's blogger I say bema menia shiny bibia abokode sanso na George Owusu nana nsuo be yeboden ya ohwe edifree Amsterdam nana nsuo be yeboden is Otumfour down plan hene enkoso hene ohwe edifree Amsterdam abrochi maimu nana say I am nana nsuo be yeboden Owusu Boatin ajenim AK Nana Bush of Amsterdam watching you live from Holland Amsterdam by Grace TV. The sky is your limit pia nana me that say insurance ya waka e dey ache bani abiribia afutusem and say we squad damage nana why am na your fedo do say be senior obibi ni obibi and dey why dey ntimi sha dum nyame shira e dey mount e when radio Yesu Kristo dem pia nana nso be boden Owusu Boatin ageni yo hwe me e dey free Amsterdam abrochimemu and am yam me e dey Safo Kantan the Safo Kantan kama bibi abakọ dey o say good morning family good morning mama and I ka omo ma bantem ne ho pa and so mama over here there so no aja ho adwuma kakra sabra na na enchira hene interview ni na so no ye ho adwuma na so be ndai yesin so ma wiamu ye besum yewura ye besum de oti okra we ene brown wo maso etina sa na ebeba na ne kwan so a no said ya esi etie ya ye ni na mu amane ebo ni na mu adesuam esum ye ne yahwefo ama bibia enso akoso yie asomdwe ekwan so ndima ide Safo Kantan kam na adwenchire aba ye dey no so mama no afa kusi Daniel say masa after this funeral go get married why abba matia okay kusi me ware ya mo nyewu why waka just say wa pe ba ni bima me ha pe ba ni bima o pe bima me dia o pe mama ya me kwa akọware da bibia akoye asomdwe kwan so enso ohontie no samwa kusi Gideon ya me da if you be am wo hene ba me o dia ware atata me ya kusi o ha dwen me da se kusi o so de wadwen kire aba afa yento swipe wan bi na wadwen kire aba okay wan bi Alex say watching you live from Cote d'Ivoire wow Yemen Hakana you come from here the Alex is watching me from the Republic of La Cote d'Ivoire enye asamketu akra and so now Frank say Kwabena I've not seen you wearing clothes before why oh me time frappa o de nya bote yenhwe yesu bo ye bibie o team so you share M0urn anim no bibia na M0urn wenche obehu bibia live and colored and so ewo I say Samson na yetwa so ya ja jentwe bi aba na jentwe aba biem ma edit safo kantanka na I say I'm fine, thanks, hope you are fine too, watching you live from Watford, United Kingdom. Okay, man nyame adomesimo ya pa ma so share free Watford ya United Kingdom abrochiman mu afei Lucy adomase Belgium people, we are here. Wow, Belgium for that's it pa nyame hyiamo ya boye mu asiama mo se na dey won beka ye ho na yesom yewura yesom club ya asante kotokone na ama bibia enso akoso asumdwe ekwan so se dia esi etie tisa na ekoso na dey ya nyame ya dom na wadom ya kwan ahodin de na asante ma Doteyie no bibia ebetwa gusi de tie mediki aka na michirem se ne Nationals of Chiefs ebeba and ma confirm ya say president of the Nationals of Chiefs beba afenya president of the Nationals of Chiefs nkwa the various House of Chiefs presidents regions na meka omina beba and na yensa chen so say the vice president of the Nationals of Chiefs so and never confirm ya say nyame adomo a ono so ebeba the vice president of the Nationals of Chiefs ono ene bupe ewura onumonyamfo abujina pone John Jinapo epapa ono ene the vice president of National House of Chiefs ono so ne obeba ifidie mu ha na obaba himfi ha na obeka ewura home na bibia enso akoso asumdwe kwan so said dia is etienti na no mu nyina eba so na okọ Eastern Regional, the president of the Eastern Regional House of Chiefs nana and then also ebeba ya enya samketu akra oyohene ewokrobo empatem ho, that's the president of the Eastern Regional House of Chiefs also ebeba said yes the Bunu East Regional House of Chiefs Basamahini on the president of the Bunu East Regional House of Chiefs and then announced so eba do be kayi ranom hom na bibia akoso asumdwe ekwan so sanso and yako amantam ahodo ya aka the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs and then almost so and representatives beba abekayi rahom na bibia enso akoso ye asumdwe ekwan so ntia na de Ghana nyina nanom mu ye fana himfumu a Ghana nyina na eba said dia esi etie afi kusigidi obusa me say okay, my this African tanker say, please, I'm not Mao, I'm your age mate, why share? I'm your sister. Oh, sir, I'm in your papa, but that's what I'm sure. Papa, Safo Kantanka, but that's it. And after Kusidan here, as the president of no regionals of Chiefs will show up today. And okay, Kusi, another young share, a Brennan Kabia, and a betcha, young share, the away and see, yes, that's enough. Young share and Komaka, na Adisia, the Jeka, the Jitina, young for one money, Bunyan, so and so much Yameha, na after. Yen chance here with some bit of education na bibia enkosuye asumdwe kwan so at the day 3 of Nana Asantehemaa Doteyie said dia esi etie no kra bambo ho nsem de enye obi na ebeka chiro security presence wa ha no very heavy na abrafo so wa ha so ye ni abrafo ni bi nkasa na yentie kakra ya omo eka e da cha bibia nti abusia abrafo e wa ha se de bia no hwehwe nkomo no eni be kasa na yesua de kakra se de ene dance ye begina nchen ha sanse ha na perform e kwan se betima gina na ya twetwe nkomo na bibia akoso asumdwe kwan so ene apomboko de wada
ya I want to say
ya mi adom me ho ye pa okay na enanso ye share bi no no kasa e ma wo kan sembe breche yesua de e di efimu enanso ya sa bedura biem ene ya de atoso miensa dan ho di chahwe
yo chia tefo nyina ana de yesi no ye wa munim de yesi dada adwuma na de guso ye
okay
ya na da fom see no afren eba obu a wo chi bia ba hwe bia bra ba hwe bi enso bia kwan ba wo ye ahwe won so ye wo ba hwe won so ye na wan koyira okay enti de yesi ye no yesi wo ye amman de amani bia se bia so wo ye
okay ene de atoso mensa ene dey na no abra for mo so mo som dwumadi ya ebekoso e de na yen Asantehemaa de hye yen hwe di mu wadaro
yo ya bra for adwuma ye di no ye Otumfour ho ban wa
okay
ene de yesi nso ye bo obi a ho ban okay by say eni abre ye na ntina chese ye ho sa okay say bi ba ya ye fa we ye ho sa bi ba dia ye de we ye ho nti ya mo so ho ban no o mo hwe ho ye se ba ya asem bia ntu obi a abra for adwuma ye di no say e say ye nipa bonefo wo a wo ekronfo ye hwan a e ma na we so dey waso no e be yefri ho
wow
waso yes
the obey so no
waso me yefri ho see e
ade na mbo yefri ho that
say yes o hebia fa na o kinchira atade sha wonye ye kan wo say we guide here o tumi no ya o we ya ba dia o so bonim
What do?
All rest about enum.
Sibonu.
Yes.
She got to
Feel no we are Sibonu.
I didn't know Sibonu.
Sam. Uba how we are one crowd we are Ojo.
Wow.
Right here.
Okay. Okay. It had you ha. I said watch him over Sibonu.
Over Sibonu. That's all you mistake here. Can to me the obo.
So what's the kind of to one year umpie
waka. And you get to 400 mobile. Ubia I can say and for her. Okay. You show you. No why. Ya bravo yen paper. Ya be say need. That's after na 32 million. You be say kwa area.
If you consider na bamunity.
You need you be can
na mo tiase. Say the
can say.
Aduane kan ye ho na etimi tiase.
Ah, you me dey sunsun mu na famu dey. Bi boy ho ban. Ha. Nti you be say ya mpeno bi boy ni. Right here.
Matia onye dey obeka chat na yenya we.
Dey ka chat say yem pam obia mehwe bi ba o ba sese ho yi. Na dashi bia o da ka asem. Dashi bia na wa chere o ba say na o ye. O so say na madam be o go hwe bi. Na dashi bia o so o to ba fo. O ko hwe mu so yi.
Yeah, that's okay. And see, when you're for any kasa, or Brandy, Otumfour, Brandy, and Akasa, or to the boss, a church and some more at the Acharian to us when I say, Sabri, your own with the convention or any day, some among staying. You know, that also means, Nana Asantehemaa, Nana Amakuna do Yadom, ya Otoso Emiensa, and the Doteyie, and the Dinamo Amanebo, as some Monty, and to us so now into Passa, and Trump Nigakra, and Fanche, Fontina, you may be young chassis, you may be no enya and chassis, the Echogu, yes, I'm a kind of Potocasemoa, I can say arrangements, in CC, outdoor Ecoso, Brunibacas preparations, yeah, Ecoso ahead of the third day of Nana Asantehemaa Doteyie, and known as I said, yeah, Ecosoa, yeah, they are some Monamadic Chimacho, American, yes, and that day, the National House of Chiefs, and then the National House of Chiefs. And eba abeka Asantehemaa ho wo mo na eba betai yewura no machi na Asantehemaa Doteyie de to so me say bibia akoso asomdwe kwanchi na de open to nananom a ewo Ghana nyina enti ahemfo ewo Ghana nyina Ghana ahemfo nyina na dey okay ewo kwanya se on pese omo eba ha okay so de esi tie beto aso na fei ya ka bia ya de asomo ya beto aso na okay mini bia ben opeso okay, you have to answer okay, it's Yakasa, your home, Anthony Buha. Don't have a here.
Boconia.
Okay, now, most share and tell you we are here for
Cadet free business secretariat and technical institute. That is Trinity your friend BSTI. Now your principal, Kumasa, your campus near to Bakun Tonsu and a Suya. Your principal friend Abena Mansan Furua. And I'm a D cadet and your family Nana Kwame Abraham.
Okay. This is school didn't say what
Business Secretariat and Technical Institute. I TVET schools nibi.
Okay. Wow. It's mo ha. Mo base mo besom yes sir.
Sa be pepe no mo de letter no ebre pia yeria sa no mo kan che say yemra na yemesom na yemboa ye papa yewura Otumfour. Ewo de waya ma Asantehemaa no. Ti eba be boa na ja ya ye nneoma no bia boa no.
Say omo share entade we bi am nkofo na.
Yes, omo ina ye nkofo ye de omo aba.
Na second institution.
Yes, second cycle institution, but your schools 5 na aba.
Okay.
Schools 5 na aba.
We are live on YouTube by Grace TV.
Mate. You shout out to you anu am wo ho nyina. Next time so be say sham eda mazepa.
Okay, ti am say to so na de aka bia insan enfa ensomo. Say de eti obodu ha, ye hu se bibi twagu e wa ha. Na ye me ha na ye nhwa de ye hu se ye nuanom bi ahyiamu e wo ha. Ye nuanom bi ahyiamu e wa ha. Na ye omo so esi twene so, nya twene kwa na omo so. Omo e kabo mu a omo to nyom ye me ho. Na ye ne omo pelifoni bi nkasa. Na ye ntie I don't play for you because that means we are only understand the Chi language or you want English? Can you speak the Chi language?
I don't know here.
So English is fine, right? All right. Can you please come a bit closer?
You do the thing here. You do. If I wait for me small, because you know that thing will bring.
We want to talk about what you are doing. I mean, we want to learn something about because you are taking a video of what's going on. Along at the same time, we want to be educational ourselves. So you don't waste much of your time, okay? I was saying, I also say, you know, be what to work and after you have a come on. One more ball, make I say, don't know, and after one more there we go. Hello, sir. How are you?
Come from?
Okay, we are media personnel from By Grace TV on YouTube. Hello, how are you doing?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Okay, please, what's your name?
My name is Akbono Abenyedo Abezo. Akbe.
Okay. First of all, let me ask this. Today is the third day for Asantehemaa Royal Abuya rights. Which group are these? Can you introduce yourself to us?
This group is Sangbeto from Aflau. Aflau, Togofichi in there. Well, okay. We bring the thing. This thing we bring, it be miracle thing. Yeah.
What is happening right now?
Yes, it be miracle thing.
Why do you say it's a miracle thing?
Yeah, miracle is something where people they talk but I don't know them. You see, I bring the people they talk about women being there inside. Women being there inside. As you open them, we they see them with the eyes, nothing no they there. That's why we they talk about miracle.
Well, we can see people beating the drums, others beating the gong. What is the meaning of what is happening right now? The gong that they are beating and the drums that they are playing.
Oh, we they talk about the Sangbeto group. The thing where we they play, with the drum where we they play there, it be where we they talk say it be group of Sangbeto from Aflau.
What is the implication, or I mean, the importance of what they are playing to today's occasion? That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay, that ought to be the okay. Somebody they where we they sick, where you don't know how sickness where we they sick. Somebody where we they do work, no value. Where somebody they something they do where people they see, but we don't do them. It be where my gods they do.
So, if I get you, you mean whatever is happening right now, the gong they are beating, the drums they are playing, has spiritual fortification that's going to fortify anyone here who is in distress or in trouble. Is that what you're trying to say?
I don't hear that side well. Trouble for what?
I mean, what I'm asking, if what you're saying is anything to go by, you mean this is very spiritual and has spiritual fortification to anyone present over here, in the sense that if there's someone here who is in trouble, I mean, who is troubled spiritually, whatever you're playing here is going to serve as a healing to the person. Is that what you're trying to say?
That one will be easy.
Wow.
It be easy for me.
Okay.
The way we talk here, if it's something day, we know they wake up well. Before bring them.
Wow.
Make I see with my eyes.
Okay.
Make I pray for him.
Okay.
Or make I talk the God's way. They do the thing for him. Then you see. But we don't go follow that thing. Okay. Today we come here with Asantehemaa in Queen Munda die. Okay. That's why our chief bring me here say from a flower.
So that's the chief, the paramount chief.
Yeah, paramount chief from a flower. We talk with Fichi, Kim Fichi, Amanya, Atolia, Ajung Gaga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask this. Is there any relationship between the Ashanti Kingdom and Aflau that necessitated the move for Togbe to come?
Yes, that is a good relationship where they with it. That kingdom, don't change that kingdom with the King Fichi.
Okay.
Where the thing happen, where we send somebody for him say, oh, I beg, come help me. That's why we come here to help him to do the funeral. Everybody go see. We come here, you know, go can't do anything bad. You come here, you know, go can't poison anybody. You come here, you know, go can't shoot anybody with my hand. You see, we come here to pray for everybody.
Okay.
Worker side, sickness side, movement, everything. We did do them.
Okay. So if I get you well, you came here today to exhibit love and unity, oneness with the Ashanti Kingdom. Is that not it?
Yes.
Okay.
So my number is 053 26 24 779. If somebody want me, make a call me. The team will talk, make I talk with him. 053 053 26 Akbono Abezo Gakpe Amenyedo Gakpe I'm a new dog from a flower up
Thank you.
Yeah.
Right. So sanity ye nua ya ye ne kasa ye ala se me kan nana o che se o ye konfo ya on se ofraflawo na ba no kra to me pa ye ne kasa o che se wo mo efri aflawo na wo mo ne aflawo man hene en aba na there san se bra na Asantehemaa to ye no amamre ni amane akwan so kura obi Asante kotoko hene eji nanom ye wo e ma sabi etubofo e ma wo yi nanom ye wo aflawo asotire na sabi nam se hene wo man ba kum de de kwani odo ena kire ye man yinti na ho behia se aflawo man hene e free aflawo ye wo fra mantemu e beba Asantehemaa mu na dai na obeka ye wura ho na Asantehemaa Doteyie no akoso asumdwe kwan so na fa wa kire se sa ntwene ya omobo ene de wuro ya omobo mu no enya tra sa akwa ekura tumi pa empo sabi ene de ye kasa yi ye ne ya be hiem wo ha so obi wa ha na yade bi da no so obi wa ha na o ha ne amane bi da no so a enam sa da wuro a wo mo ebo nti o mo ogidie pa se de yaresa ene ogie sonko ebe brani pakro ya enye kuma akra enso onti ye to so e na fa di aka bia ye fa no so emu amanebo ene emu adisua nyina nso mo efa free mensia kotokofie na ye ma me wo ha ye me wo mo na ene o mo so nkasa kakra de ntie kakra ya wo mo eka ene dai ma me apombo ko de
nyame adom ye ho ye na mo nso e
nyame adom ye nso ye ho ye pa mpacho we de mesro na wada ho de achi ahwefo
yo ye frɛ me nana ye je wa Asantehemaa nka bom nyom krokuo ne adoa ye nso ye tena bre ne aha na nananom yi ma ye aye so ye tea e na ye nuanom rarafo e be kan ye ho a ye ne wo muti a ye se ye be boa ma dwumadie no akoso enti me so me ne me nuanom ai oba Selena Rosemary ena oba ntwiwa ye ne yete hei Asantehemaa nka bom nyom krokuo ne adoa ene ye wa ha ne ye dom ne nyina me kan ye ho ye do so pa
efi nano adwoada ena Doteyie na shasia e dia babeju ne ye ma me no mo bo nyum kro ne adoa yi ayem se mo mle mo shasia no pa no po numre enti na mo nte bra na wada
yo nam se aye adwuma na chenti enti ye de nwum kakra nso be fam sesi a ye agro na nsa ye mra yo ya agro na nsa ye mra yo ya de ye mra yo Asantehemaa nka bom nyum kro ye mra yo ya agro na nsa ye mra yo agro na nsa ye mra yo ya de ye mra yo Asantehemaa nka bom nyum kro ye mra yo na na se tutu ye mra wo opim so se tu ye mra wo ye ra ye mra wo o ya de ye mra wo na na se tu ye mra wo ana se tu ye mra wo ye ra ye mra wo o ya de ye mra wo ye jamo ya no ya dia ya no ye jamo ya no nande ye jamo ya no ya dia ya no ye jamo ya no na se to yampu na se ye yampu ye ra yampu oh hine say ye yampu nane ye yampu nana say ye yampu ye ra yampu nane say ye yampu ye jamo ya no ye jamo ya no ya dia ya no ye jamo ya no nane ye jamo ya no ye jamo ya no ya dia ya no nana jamo ya no nana say ye na dia ya no no boy ye dia ya no wo dia ya no no boy na dia ya no yes be my na dia ya no e ono kwa wo dia ya no wo dia ya no ye wine say ye adia ya no kwa ye adia ya no ye adia ya no kwa e boy na adia ya no o mana kotoko hina adia ya no kwa
Asantehemaa no kwa.
Ekwe na Asantehemaa no omana Asantehemaa ni Asantehemaa na yenkwa. Asantehemaa Asantehemaa foi Asantehemaa no yenkwa.
Nyumi amutu ye yetimu se ba chemu kakra che ye wadaro.
Yo sabre opem so na na se tu abebio ono na Asantehemaa no ne nua ba ne mpon ayo maame na nakwa akura nti Asantehemaa no ehia kotokoma nyina Asantehemaa nyina Asantehemaa ye enwum no mo enwuno ye Otumfour ye na kwado hema Otumfour ye na kwado hema ya madamre fadwe na owo bafo agensem ade waboye sujetro ohema na kwado hema Otumfour na kwado hema ya madamre fadwe na owo bafo agensem ade waboye sujetro
Otumfour na kwado hema ya madamre fadwe na owo bafo agensem ade waboye sujetro
Ohema na kwado hema Otumfour na kwado hema ya madamre fadwe na owo bafo agensem ade waboye sujetro Ohema na kwado hema Otumfour na kwado hema ya madamre fadwe na owo bafo agensem ade waboye sujetro Ohema na kwado hema Otumfour na kwado hema ya madamre fadwe na owo bafo agensem ade waboye sujetro.
Moya de ma adwuma moye am edi bebre say because say here was be kan nyuma bo ma to be no enfe pa.
Yo nananom yedam ase eya Asantehemaa nkabom nyum krokuo ni adoa enwuma nana kwan adu ekwa ekura ye ma nana Asantehemaa eno no enti eno na yede ta ekire e ma nana ya Asantoa ene Otumfour enwuma yede ma wo mu no.
And yet, we don't be bring a share. It's really come on Saquon na ebia. I put some number to Jan be Yamo, or person by farm or Juma there, Wabano be home temper. Some of them number to Jan, Madame.
Yo, Asantehemaa nkabom nyum krokuo ene adoa. Ye cha my number. Eno die no obuo kwan so enimitirim. Na me ameto nyum na ye ajewa. Asantehemaa nkabom nyum krokuo yenso ye ka ho ye members ni bia na number ni 0243 81 89 87 enti chairman ene ne dom madaro masemu hunu se me de number we atodwa enya me boapayo number no abamfumu so enimiti me damos
That's a party. Asantehemaa nyum krokuo ene adoa na ye that's a pa. Sanity e wa say imagine nyan sase okay. But you nya enshase we dey ye ho popeye enya dey so mo sabre ye sa dey pem ha na ya da ye ho abablem ti ka hye unua na onso ka hye unua say yaba na ye dey pem asesi a na ye nya na ntie penfo tie na so e be se be ya dey ba si a na dey akabia so me di ko bena usu ko so ahwe by grace ye say ba sesi na dey akabia ye dey so mo makao bye bye.